Hey, welcome back to Danielle's Creative Art. Today I have an unboxing video of Archer and Olive's new summer journals. I just bought another one, a B5, and then the same one as I showed in the last video for my mom. It's this for her birthday, an early birthday present. This Beach Ball A5, so it's the same one, and she wanted it, so I got it for her. And then I also purchased these really cute stickers to go with the journals, and this one's just like regular journaling stickers. So open up and show them to you. Let's see. Love the summer vibes. So we have popsicle and sunglasses and a narwhal and lobster, fun in the sun, hello summer, really cute, and you get 2 of them for $7, good deal. And let's see, the other one is florals, which is pretty. Gotta get it back in. Almost got it back. Okay. And then here's the floral one. I love the gold foil mixed with the pink. That's pretty. And you get 2 of those. Matches those stickers too. And then they also have summer washi tape, which is really cute. So let's take a look. You get 4 rolls of washi. Almost got it. Okay. So here's the 4 rolls, and I love this thick one. So you have a narwhal and some florals on there. Looks like it's really cute. And then the second one, actually I'll show you. I'll peel off a little bit so you can see. Almost got it. That is so cute. Can't wait to use it in my bullet journal. Oh no. There we go. And then we have this one I started to show you with, it's got tangerine, sliced, sunglasses, and looks like a little lobster. So let's take a little bit off that one. That's really cute too. And then we have this, looks like awnings at a store, I think. First I thought it was popsicles, but I think it's awnings. So cute, like an ice cream shop. Oops. Get off. Oops. And then the last one is this cute striped green and yellow, I think it's green, washi. Here's the start. Okay. Really cute too. And then let's get to the bullet journals. So this one I'm really excited about. It actually is the same design as this one, the orange beach ball. So let's take a look inside. This is like my favorite design from the summer collection, so I couldn't resist. And the boxes are super fun. Okay, here we go. Love it so much. Wow, I love that color. Bright, fun orange for summertime. 160 dot grid pages and 160 GSM. Very thick paper. So it looks so cute next to this one. Imagine, it's so cute. So let's open this one up too. I love this color so much. Okay. So you have the B5 size, and this is B5 and dot grid. And then like all the journals, they have a bookmark. There's a cute Art Journal logo. And there's like actually 2 bookmarks, so you can keep 2 places. And I'm not sure if I have a use for this one yet, but I really couldn't resist, as you could tell. So now that I took the band off, let's put it next to it, or on top. Love it. Oh, they also have a Travelers. I was very tempted to get that, but I may have to wait. But all 3 would be very cool to have together. And then the last thing I bought in this haul is the new journaling cards that came out, I think in May, for Mental Health May. So I'll show you a couple of them. Okay. I'll just read a few of them, and they have like different colors, which is pretty. So let's see what the first one says. What in your life gives you joy? What people, places, activities, and things? Let's do a few more. Ooh, it's pretty thick too. What thoughts or worries are sitting at the back of your mind lately? Or write about the times in your life you have showed courage and resilience. So that's all I'll share from that. And if you want to see more, you can go to the Art Journal website and purchase them. And I think they'll help in journaling, and I know they'll help me, so I'm trying to get back into journaling and stick with it more, like memory keeping and stuff, and adding photos. So I think my next video, I know I said this before, but it'll be my flip through of my Messy and Bright Art Journal that I finished last month. And so don't forget to check the link in the description. And I'm an affiliate with Art Journal, so you can shop and use my code DanielleFL10 for 10% off your purchase. And you should definitely check out the summer collection, and also be on the lookout for Amy Tangerine's collab with Art Journal coming out next Wednesday. And very excited about that. Amy Tangerine, you're awesome if you see this video. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.